When we are talking about the shape of a company, what do we actually mean? In business theory, we are often using the business model concept, which has become very popular. Although business models have always been there, we will refer to the business model concept as a rather new notion at the intersection of strategic management and innovation. So what is a business model? Following the most popular definition proposed by Osterwalder and Penieur, we can say that a business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. Let's look at this a bit closer. This definition says that a business model is used to describe something. This is why the term model has to be taken seriously. It also describes the rationale, which means the logic of how an organization is doing something. Here it is important to note that business models can be applied to different levels, like whole corporations, business units, or even individual entrepreneurs. And finally, this definition is mostly about how value creation works. Creating, delivering, and capturing value is at the heart of any organization. It could be a profit-driven firm that aims at maximizing financial value, a social enterprise that tries to increase social benefits for its clients, or an eco-business that saves natural resources and thus creates ecological value. Let's explore the business model canvas in more detail. The canvas is characterized by its visual features. It has 9 major building blocks that are used to illustrate how to create value. In the first step, you can simplify the canvas by looking at its 4 pillars. The value proposition describes what a company offers to its customers. The business infrastructure shows how the value proposition is created. The customer interface links the value proposition to the customer. And finally, the financial model includes the costs from the business infrastructure and the revenues from the customer interface. These 4 pillars contain 9 more detailed building blocks. The value proposition representing products and services, key activities, resources and partners making up the business infrastructure, customer relationships, channels and segments as elements within the customer interface, and the cost structure and revenue streams which are included in the financial model. The combination of a comprehensive business model concept and an appealing visualization may be the reasons why this tool has become a standard for business model development. More theoretical approaches, such as the Activity Systems Perspective by Emmett and Sott, try to open the black box of value creation. For example, by identifying those resources and activities that are key to superior value. You might think of resources and activities such as intellectual property, process management, or marketing. And that's what strategic management is about. Using the business model concept as a means to understand how organizations can create superior value and thus competitive advantages.